Sharanam. Sriman Narayaniyam Dashaka 8 continued. Now the final three verses 11, 12 and 13 as a step-by-step teaching with a lot of repetitions for learning as also full chanting for listening. Om. Again, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to press the bell button by the side of it to keep getting my ongoing new links time and again, as also to view my other shlokam links like Saundarya Lahari, which I completed recently, Vishnu Sahasranamam, Vaidyanatha Ashtakam, and other big and small powerful shlokams. This is mainly to keep up to our Sanskrit traditions and culture, as also to enjoy learning. Om. Now, Narayaniyam Dashaka 8, verse 11, the first line. Tat etad ambhoruha kummalam. Tat etad ambhoruha kummalam. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam. Te kalevarat Toyapathe prarudham. Kalevarat Toyapathe prarudham. Again the first line. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam te kalevarat Toyapathe prarudham. The second line. Bahihi niritam. Bahir niritam. Paritah sphuradbhihi. Sphu and bhi. Sphuradbhihi. Bahirniritam paritah sphuradbhihi. The last bit of the second line. Swadhamabhihi. Swadhamabhihi dhwantam alam. Dhwantam alam. Swadhamabhihi dhwantam alam. Swadhamabhir dhwantam alam. Swadhamabhir dhwantam alam. Nyakrintat. Nyakrintat. The last line again. Bahir niritam paritaf sphuradbhihi. Swadhamabhir dhwantamalam nyakrintat. The four lines again. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam te kalevarat toyapathe prarudham. The second line. Bahir niritam paritaf sphuradbhihi. Swadhamabhir dhwantamalam nyakrintat. Chanting now. Of verse 11, the first line. Tat etat ambhoruha kummalam. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam. Te kalevarat. Te kalevarat. Toyapathe prarudham. Toyapathe prarudham. Again. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam te kalevarat toyapathe prarudham. The second line. Bahirniritam paritaf sphuradbhihi. Bahirniritam paritaf sphuradbhihi. Swadhamabhirdvantamalam nyakrintat. Swadhamabhihi dvantamalam dvantamalam nyakrintat. Swadhamabhirdvantamalam nyakrintat. The second line again. Bahirniritam paritaf sphuradbhihi. Swadhamabhirdvantamalam nyakrintat. The four lines again. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam te kalevarat toyapathe prarudham. Bahirniritam paritaf sphuradbhihi. Swadhamabhirdvantamalam nyakrintat. Verse 12, the first line. Samphulla patre nitaram vichitre. Samphulla patre nitaram vichitre. The second line. Tasmin. No, the next bit of the first line. Sorry, next bit of the first line. Tasmin bhavadvirya dhrite. Bhavat virya dhrite. Bhavadvirya dhrite saroje. तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे सम्फुल्लपत्रे नितरां विचित्रे तस्मिन् भवद्वीर्यधृते सरोजे. The second line, Sa Padmajanma, the lotus born Brahma. Sa Padmajanma Vidhihi, Avirasit Vidhihi. Sa Padmajanma Vidhihi, the lotus born Brahma, who is no other than the Creator himself. Avirasit. Sa Padmajanma Vidhiravirasit, Vidhiravirasit. The last bit of the second line, Swayam Prabuddha Akhila, Swayam Prabuddha Akhila Veda Rashihi. Swayam Prabuddha Akhila Veda Rashihi. Swayam Prabuddha Akhila Veda Rashihi. The second line again, Sa Padma Janma Vidhira Virasit, Swayam Prabuddha Akhila Veda Rashihi. The four lines again. The first line, Samphulla Patre Nitaram Vichitre Tasmin Bhavadvirya Dhrite Saroje. The second line, Sa Padma Janma Vidhira Virasit Swayam Prabuddha Akhila Veda Rashihi. Chanting now of verse 12. Om. The first line, Samphulla Patre Nitaram Vichitre, Samphulla Patre Nitaram Vichitre. The next bit, Tasmin Bhavadvirya Dhrite Saroje, Tasmin Bhavadvirya Dhrite Saroje, Samphulla Patre Nitaram Vichitre, Tasmin Bhavadvirya Dhrite Saroje. The second line, Sapadma Janma Vidhira Virasit, Sapadma Janma Vidhira Virasit. The last bit, Swayam Prabuddha Khila Veda Rashihi, Swayam Prabuddha Khila Veda Rashihi. Sapadma Janma Vidhira Virasit, Swayam Prabuddha Khila Veda Rashihi. The four lines again of verse 12, Dashaka 8. Samphulla Patre Nitaram Vichitre, Tasmin Bhavadvirya Dhrite Saroje, Sapadma Janma Vidhira Virasit, Swayam Prabuddha Khila Veda Rashihi. The final verse 13, which is the more popular and the most powerful one, the Cancer Curing Shlokam, verse 13. The first line, Asmin Paratman Nanu Padma Kalpe, Asmin Paratman Nanu Padma Kalpe. The next bit, Tvamitham Tvam Itham Tvamitham Utthapita, Tvamitham Utthapita Padma Yonihi, Tvamitham Utthapita Padma Yonihi. The first line again, Asmin Paratman Nanu Padma Kalpe, Tvamitham Utthapita Padma Yonihi. The second line, Ananta Bhuma Mama Roga Rashim, Ananta Bhuma Mama Roga Rashim. The last bit, Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa, Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishnu, Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishnu. Please eradicate all my ailments, O Vishnu, Lord Vishnu, the dweller of Guruvayur. The second line again, Ananta Bhuma Mama Roga Rashim, Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishnu. The four lines again, Asmin Paratman Nanu Padma Kalpe, Tvamitham Utthapita, Tvamitham Utthapita Padma Yonihi. The second line, Ananta Bhuma Mama Roga Rashim, Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishnu. Chanting now. Om Asmin Paratman Nanu Padmakalpe Asmin Paratman Nanu Padmakalpe Tvamitham Utthapita Padmayonihi Tvamitham Utthapita Padmayonihi Asmin Paratman Nanu Padmakalpe Tvamitham Utthapita Padmayonihi. The second line. Ananta Bhuma Mama Rogarashim Ananta Bhuma Mama Rogarashim. The last bit. Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishno Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishno Ananta Bhuma Mama Rogarashim Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishno. The 4 lines again of the final verse 13. Asmin Paratman Nanu Padmakalpe Tvamitham Utthapita Padmayonihi Ananta Bhuma Mama Rogarashim Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishno. This completes the step-by-step teaching of the final 3 verses 11, 12 and 13. Now, as a summary, I shall do a continuous full chant of the final 3 verses 11, 12 and 13 of Dashaka 8 for the benefit of listening. Om. Verse 11. Tadetadambhoruha kummalam te kalevarat toyapathe prarudham bahirniritam paritavsphuradbhihi swadhamabhirdhvantamalam nyakrintat. Verse 12. Samphullapatre nitaram vichitre tasmin bhavadviryadhrite saroje sapadmajanma vidhiraviraasit swayam prabuddhakhila vedarashihi. The final verse 13. Asmin paratman nanu padmakalpe Tvamitham Utthapita Padmayonihi Ananta Bhuma Mama Rogarashim Nirundi Vatalaya Vasa Vishno. This final verse 13 has already been done by me as a step-by-step teaching with a lot of repetitions in my separate YouTube channel. Please refer that one as well. Om. This completes the step-by-step teaching of the entire Dashaka 8 verses 1 to 13. To look forward to the continuous full chant of Dashaka 8 1 to 13 shortly. Om.